Welcome there, Ross. Welcome to Norwich and to Norfolk.
It's the first time I've been to this new dealership here.
And what do you think?
I think it's fantastic. It's absolutely super.
I have to say you're looking very good yourself, I might
Thank you
add.
very much. But more important, the new dealership. How are you getting on selling the red noses?
Red noses were all up and running, however I have delegated. Simon, let me disturb you. Richard is here from Toyota.
Good to see you. How are you?
Richard, very well. Yourself?
Good, yes.
He's asked me the question about who's in charge of Red Nose Day. And do you know who I've said? Me. Correct. 100%. You are delegated. So you need to explain to Richard what's going to be happening.
How are you going to do it?
Well, I've delegated it to the parts department, the service department.
Hi, I need 2 wiper blades for my Yaris, please. What year was that, please? 61, please. Okay, bear me 1 moment. Thank you. Oh, sorry, did you say 61? 61, sorry. There we go. Thank you. Can I help you? Hi, yeah, I've just picked up these wiper blades for my Yaris. And I'm thinking I might like a new car.
Oh, okay then. Well, can I get you a tea when you wait?
Oh, that'd be lovely, thank you.
No worries. There you go. Oh. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
Oh, of course, yes, brilliant choice, the Yaris's. And our colours are? Well, you have Glacier White, Laguna Grey, Eclipse Black, Island Blue, and of course got to finish off with the fantastic Chili Red as well. Of course, if you want any more help with those, just let me know.
And the guy who's coming to see her just beyond the highway, there's an open plain and it keeps me going.